comes from the world of CNC machining. The introduction of CNC machining into architecture can expand the range of materials we are using for our structures. So instead of casting liquid concrete, like we can see here, into formworks, we can now subtract complex shapes from a bulk of material, like you can see here, and this bulk of material can be wood, foam, etc. And in the project we're about to present, we used CNC machining to refabricate a structure that we were inspired by, which is Pierre-Louis Giner's Coursal Beach Casino, which you can see in the picture on the right in the phase of construction. And the last subject that we wish to tackle comes back to robots. An important thing to mention is that robots themselves don't carry any intelligence within them. The main thing that they can do, the main thing that they actually do is move from one XYZ coordinate to another. The code snapshot that you can see here illustrated. As you can see, we have just target points that create a sequence of movement and nothing else. This is the whole thing about robots. And in order to, so because this robot has no capabilities of sensing and understanding the environment, one of the main problems in robotic assembly of complex structures is handling material tolerance and controlling overall accuracy. Currently, and this you can see on the left, robotic assembly research projects embed intelligence in high-tech systems and devices such as sensor and feedback loop mechanisms. In this project, we came to a more low-tech approach, which we can explain later with questions or if we'll have time, why we chose this alternative approach. So we embed intelligence in the geometric configuration of the structure, and again, we'll explain on it a little bit more later.
And so I will explain a little bit the methodology of our project. So we had all these questions in mind, a lot of questions, a lot of problems about designing and building. So the first thing, in order to evaluate and ground the proposal that we are showing, to rethink the design construction workflow of complex structures, we outlined a methodology that describes the steps to achieve this. And as a proof of concept, we built a portion of a structure in a full scale that is a double curved mushroom-shaped structure. A portion of the structure was assembled by a small robot mounted in a small trolley and equipped with a customized end effector, a vacuum tool. As this end effector will be used for picking and placing components.